Did you get a blue screen during the latest CrowdStrike outage? Well, here's an easy way to fix it. So after a certain amount of restarts, you should get to the recovery screen and you want to click on See Advanced Repair Options. Then you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. And now just hit this restart button. Now when this screen pops up, you want to hit the 4 number. And once you log into the computer, you're going to open up a Windows Explorer. Then you're going to click on the drive that your operating system's on. Mine's on the C drive. And then you're going to open up the Windows folder. And then you're going to open up the System32 folder. And then you want to scroll down until you find the drivers folder. Open that up. Now open up the CrowdStrike folder. And in the Windows Explorer search bar, you're going to search for this C hyphen and then 5 zeros 291 *.sys. And the file that comes up, you're going to click on it and then hit the delete key. And now if we restart our computer again, we cross our fingers while it's booting up. And now we're able to log back in and use our computer like normal. Easy.